Why do cookies take over December? Not by accident. It's a 700-year story of spice, sugar, generous hearts, baked golden at the edges. Picture a winter monastery around the 1300s. Cold stone walls, candlelight, and a kitchen that smells like cloves and honey. Nuns and monks are stretching precious ingredients. Almonds, dried fruit, a whisper of imported spice, into small, sturdy biscuits that keep through Advent. They're fasting, they're frugal, and yet on feast days, out come the sweet bites. Early holiday cookies weren't chewy or cute. Spiced, sturdy, and symbolic. Spice was status. Cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg. These weren't cupboard staples. They were wealth, sailed across oceans and taxed to the heavens. Adding spice to dough said, "This is special." Gingerbread fairs sprang up across Europe. Nuremberg, Prague, London, where bakers sold molds shaped like saints, kings, and animals. Saints, kings, and animals. You didn't just eat a cookie, you bit into a story. Then sugar happened. By the 1600s and 1700s, as global trade grew, and yes, powered by brutal systems like enslaved labor, sugar got cheaper and baking got sweeter. Kitchen alchemists moved from honeyed biscuits to crisp cookies and buttery shortbreads. In England and Scotland, shortbread became a holiday signature. In the Low Countries, speculoos and windmill cookies carried cloves and cinnamon into winter markets. In Germany, Lebkuchen turned from holy day bread to family treasure, packed in tins. Now, the magic jump. Immigrants carry recipes to America. 1800s kitchens, wood stoves, community cookbooks stuffed with handwritten notes. Dutch and German families bring spiced cookies. Scandinavians pack pepperkakor. Italians arrive with pignoli and pizzelle. Sugar cookies take root in the US because flour and sugar are finally affordable. And new metal cookie cutters flood the market. Stars, bells, trees, reindeer. Suddenly, baking is not just tasty, it's playful. And the generosity piece? In winter, when harvests were done, people had time and a reason to share. Cookies are perfect, small, portable, and joyful to give away. By the late 19th century, children are leaving biscuits for St. Nick across Europe. In America, that morphs into plates for Santa, shaped by magazine ads, department stores, and a booming home baking culture. It's marketing, sure, but also a ritual kids can own. Mix, cut, bake, decorate, share. World wars tightened rationing, and bakers got clever. Molasses over sugar, oats for bulk. But the tradition held. Post-war prosperity turned December kitchens into assembly lines of love. Spritz guns, colored sugars, the first bottled sprinkles. Family tables became cookie swap stations. Today, December cookies are edible heirlooms. A tin passed down, a card stained with butter, a spice blend remembered by smell alone. When I bake, I'm connected to nuns counting cloves, sailors hauling cinnamon, immigrants unpacking molds, and kids sneaking icing off cooling racks. Why do cookies rule December? Because they compress history into a single bite. Scarcity celebration, travel, tradition, work, wonder. Sugar ties the past to the present. Spice marks the moment as sacred. We bake to make time visible. One tray, one family, one story at a time. If you're baking this season, try a heritage twist. A medieval-style honey spice biscuit, no eggs, sturdy and perfumed. A German Lebkuchen with candied citrus. A simple American sugar cookie cut into family initials. Then share them. Because the sweetest part of December isn't the cookie, it's who gets the next one.